Danielle,
Hey,
how you feeling now?
I'm really good.
You sure?
Yeah,
You're still looking stressed.
yeah.
No, that's all gone now.
Yeah, definitely, thank you.
Would you like to share some feedback for the other students
Uh,
watching you in the video?
Carmen's really just the best instructor you can go with. He's taught me so much in the lessons we've had together, more than any other instructor I've ever had.
You've had a few?
Yeah, I've had about 4 now.
Right.
Yeah.
What do you think the main difference was between those 4 and myself?
I think with Carmen, you definitely get taught techniques that other driving instructors won't bother to tell you.
Really?
You get taught a lot more like safety tips when driving, and you just feel safer while driving with him because you're more informed about everything that you're supposed to be doing as a driver.
Well, that's a good line. I mean, the students be interested in what you're saying there. So that's pretty important. So you had to go through 4 instructions or instructors to get to me.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Very thankful I did though.
Well, you certainly did, and you got a terrific score in your vort today.
Yeah.
So congratulations,
Thank
Danielle.
you so much.
You certainly deserved every bit of it because you really put in a hell of a lot. So it's been great. All right, well, all the very best, love. You're on your way, just like your brother George was a few years back, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, all the best, Danielle.
Thank you.
See ya.
See ya.